In the last lecture, I have discussed how to analyze and design a steel frame building in ETABS. In this lecture, I will discuss how you can design the connections in ETABS, steel connections in ETABS. So for the design of steel connection, here is the option in the design tab, steel connection design. Okay, here is a review/revise preferences. ETABS can design three types of connection only: beam to beam, beam to column, and column footing mean base plate design. For example, in beam to beam, okay, in beam to beam there are three type of plates. For example, here is a full plate, okay, here is a partial plate, okay, here is a horizontal plate. Okay, how software will pick up which connection will be needed. For example, here are our secondary beams that have smaller section, that is 310, and it's the primary beams have the heavier sections. So depending upon the section depth, okay, if your section depth is less than or equal to 250 millimeters, software will design as horizontal plate. If your beam has a thickness greater than 70 between 250 and 750, then software will take partial plate for beam. And if it is greater than 750, then software will design full plate for the beam depth. And here are the preferences. You can select the bolt types, bolt size, okay. Here is a hole type, weld material, okay. You can use any electrode as per your requirement. Here is a default thickness of weld, 100 millimeter. Plate material, okay. You can also select plate thickness, okay. So these are the preferences, okay. After running the design, if anything need change, we will change. Here similarly in the beam column, software can design 4 type of connection, okay. Beam column shear major, okay. Here you can see beam column shear major, beam column shear minor, beam column moment major axis, beam column moment minor axis, okay. Again, you can also set the preferences. Similarly, in the column, all the offsets value, dimension values, bolt size, electrode, okay, minimum width of base plate. Then software, if any check is failing, software will automatically increase the increment by 25 millimeter each time, okay. And similarly here, bolt clearances, all values are present, okay. So okay, then design. That window is appeared because maybe I have changed some settings. Steel connection, here is a select load combination. Software has automatically selected the load combinations for steel design, okay. You can view, okay, all the combinations are present, okay, against any type of forces like wind, earthquake, all the combinations are present, okay. Now design, steel connection design, click start design/check. Okay, now the steel connection has been designed for the whole building. For example, here you can see in the base plate, right click, okay. Under each column there is a base plate footing, okay, and software is showing the demand/capacity ratios, okay. You can see the detail. Here is the dimensions, okay. Let me zoom it, okay. Software has designed by using this code, and the units software has used keep inch, okay. Base plate design calculations, Okay, so that's how you can review. Cancel. So now I will close one window. Plan. Okay, plan 5. Okay, so here is your beam to beam connection. So let's see what's the design type. Display design info. Okay, here demand to capacity ratio, that is a pairing, and here is a connection type. Here you can see beam to beam, beam to column. Okay, okay, so here all the connections. For example, at this joint, let's see the demand to capacity ratios. Here beam to beam connection. Okay, okay, it's a beam column major, sorry, it's the connected to the okay main column. So here is a beam to beam, right click. So here you can see the, if this is a beam, there is a bottom part for the connection, and if I right click here, then software will highlight the upper part. Okay, again you can review the whole detail. Okay, you can study in detail by reviewing slowly. Okay, so now here is a failure. Here is a demand to capacity ratio increasing by 1. Okay, for example, right click here, the against this combination software is failing against weld strength at tension flange. In this combination, multiple combination software is failing. Okay, in details here you can also see software is passing rest of the checks but only failing at tension flange. Okay, details. So how to rectify this failure? Okay, so I will go in the overrides, and here is the weld thickness. Okay, I will increase to 150. I will prefer use increments 125 millimeter. So let's do 125 1-inch increment. Okay, okay, so now you can see all the checks have been passed if we use 125 millimeter thickness of weld. Okay, so let's now see on the left side check. Okay, here again the weld strength at the tension flange is also failing. Okay, overrides. Weld thickness, I am changing it to 125. Okay, so again this check is also passed. 0.97 less than 1. Okay, so that's how we can uh, design the whole building connections in ETABS. Okay, remember, so ETABS can only design 3 types of connections: beam to beam, beam to column, and base plate design. Okay, so you can also see the other values also. For example, what's the weld size used. Okay, number of bolts, this type of information you can see. And detailing software will also include the steel connection design detailing. I will again run start detailing. Yes. Okay, model explorer and drawing sheets, sorry, drawing sheets, steel connection again in this. Let me close this window. Connection details, steel connections, framing plans. Okay, software is now, let me close this one or make it right. Sorry. Okay, now I can zoom it. Okay, so let's see its schedule. Okay, base plate, sorry, let me, okay, double plate. Here is a base plate schedule. Okay, count connection 7. Okay, under this column and this column size. Okay, all the information in tabular form. For example, beam to beam schedule here for all the beams. Okay, 300 connections. 300 means beam to beam connections are 300. Okay, bolts. Okay, so that's how, even in the drawing sheet software, in the connection schedule here, you can see software has generated the detailing for the whole building in the generic form. What is this SXW, that is written here. Okay, so that's all for the steel connection design. Okay, so have a nice day.